optimistic as a country. And we seem to be doing the same things year in, year out, and expecting different results. So, Speaker, looking at the current budget for 2023-2024, what is going to happen is the usual things. One, we are going to start projects which we shall not be able to complete. Two, we are going, where we start projects, we are going to be able to incur further pending bills. And as you can see from the current budget, not much money has been allocated to service the pending bills. We are going to basically be digging a hole to seal another hole. Mr. Speaker, I have always said that the most prudent thing to do when you find yourselves in a situation in which we find ourselves currently is to cut our cloth according to our size. We have failed to do that. We still continue to increase our budget and hoping that we shall get revenues from elsewhere. Mr. Speaker, the other thing you need to do when you are in a similar situation is to basically stop starting new projects which are not emergency, which are not critical, and attempt to complete the old projects. That we are not seeing in this budget, because unless you deal with the pending bills, how will you ever complete the old projects, Mr. Speaker? Mr. Speaker, but I am more concerned, as I conclude, I am more concerned, and I've got all tremendous respect and confidence in the chairman and the committee budget. But there's a problem, Mr. Speaker, which we are beginning to see rearing its ugly head in this country. The current, the type of mega corruption cases that we are beginning to see in this country, Mr. Speaker, is a cause for worry. In just mere 7 months or so, we have seen cases of corruption that should worry all of us, beginning with the mosquito nets corruption case. Mr. Speaker, some of us who come from malaria-prone areas do understand the sensitivity of this matter. That we can actually have people in government, some as high places as cabinet, conniving, Mr. Speaker, to siphon money meant to buy mosquito nets. Mr. Speaker, the second issue is